Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the amazing health benefits of oranges for your beauty and body. You won't believe how this simple fruit can transform your health. We're talking glowing skin, stronger nails, a boosted immune system, and so much more. And the best part, it's all thanks to a fruit you can easily find at your local grocery store. So if you're ready to unlock the power of this citrus superstar, stick around. We're about to break down all the amazing ways oranges can help you look and feel your best. Get ready to be amazed. Let's start with the big one, vitamin C. Oranges are bursting with it, and trust me, your body loves it. See, vitamin C is essential for producing collagen. Think of collagen as the building block of your skin. It's what keeps your skin looking firm, plump, and youthful. And as we age, our natural collagen production slows down. That's where oranges come in. By adding oranges into your diet, you're giving your body the vitamin C it needs to boost collagen production, helping your skin stay firm, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and give you that youthful glow we all crave. Next up, let's talk antioxidants. Oranges are packed with them, and these little guys are like superheroes for your skin. Now, free radicals are all around us. Pollution, smoke, even the sun can create them. And what do free radicals do? They damage our skin cells, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and dullness. But antioxidants swoop in to save the day. They neutralize those harmful free radicals, protecting your skin from damage. So, by eating oranges, you're giving your body an army of antioxidants to fight those free radicals and keep your skin looking fresh, radiant, and youthful. It's like giving your skin its own personal bodyguard. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, right? Well, oranges are here to make it delicious. They're loaded with water, which means they help keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Think about it. When you're dehydrated, your skin can look dull, tired, and even flaky. But when you're properly hydrated, your skin is plumper, smoother, and has that healthy, dewy glow. So next time you're reaching for a sugary drink, grab an orange instead. You'll be giving your body and your skin a boost of hydration that will leave you feeling and looking refreshed. Okay, this one might surprise you, but did you know that your gut health and your skin health are closely connected? It's true. And guess what? Oranges can help with that too. Oranges are a great source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly, if you know what I mean. And when your gut is happy, your skin is happy too. See, when your gut is out of whack, it can actually show up on your skin in the form of breakouts, inflammation, and even eczema. But by adding more fiber-rich foods like oranges into your diet, you're supporting a healthy gut, which in turn leads to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Last but not least, let's talk about that immune system. We all want a strong immune system, especially these days, right? Well, oranges are packed with vitamin C, which is a powerful immune booster. Vitamin C helps your body produce white blood cells, which are the cells that fight off infections and keep you healthy. So, by eating oranges, you're giving your immune system an extra boost of protection. And when you're healthy on the inside, it shows on the outside. You'll have more energy, your skin will look healthier, and you'll just radiate that inner glow that comes from being healthy and strong. So there you have it, folks. Oranges are not just delicious, but also a powerhouse of health benefits for your beauty and body. Make sure to include them in your diet and see the difference for yourself. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, add them to your smoothies, or use them to brighten up your salads, there are countless ways to incorporate this citrus superstar into your daily routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And let me know in the comments below how you like to enjoy your oranges. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.